Now Michael was waiting for one more chance. Now see, he rolled over and did his ritual of 3-finger-tipped push-ups. He found his pole stood and stepped on the runway that led to the most challenging event of his 17 years old life. The runway felt different this time. It startled him for a brief moment, then it all hit him like a wet bale of hay. The bars was set at 9 inches higher than his personal best. That's only 1 inch of the national record, he thought. The intensity of the moment filled his mind with anxiety. He began shaking off the tension from his body. It wasn't working. He became more tense. Why is this happening to me now? He thought. He began to get nervous. Fear would be more accurate description. What was he going to do? He had never experienced these feelings. Then out of nowhere, now aware, and from the deepest deeps of his soul, he envisioned his mother. Why now? Why? What was his mother doing in his thoughts at the time like this? It was simple. His mother always used to tell him whenever he felt tense, anxious or even scared to take deep breaths. Okay, Nana? Now see, the person who is competing with Michael Stone had lost. Okay, now Michael got one more chance. He just went, he took the pole with his 3 fingers. He just tried to push. Okay, now it was been set at 6 inches more. Okay, Nana, to set the national record. See, earlier it was 17. He has completed at 17.2 and finally it was at 17.4. Now it was been set at some 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches high to complete the feat. For Michael, now he is feeling tensed. The backside of his body, it's all completely felt like sweating. Some hay is coming and touching his body. All these things shows though he was a little bit of tensed. Now at this moment, he just remembered his mother. What mother used to say, why this is happening to me? Okay, understood? So Michael తో పాటు కంపీట్ అయిన రేస్ అటెంప్ట్స్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయినప్పుడు మైకల్కి మళ్ళీ ఒక ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఆ బార్ని ఒక 9 inches హైట్ పెట్టారనమాట. సో when he flies down, it should be some 17.9. సో యాజ్ హీ ఆ వాల్ట్ అట్లా తీసుకోగానే ఆ 3 fingers తోటి ఇట్లా పట్టుకుంటారు కదా, యాజ్ హీ ఈస్ హోల్డింగ్ దాట్, he's just feeling tensed. See, already this is the game this is the sport which has been practicing. But even then, for this 17 years boy, it was a little bit nervous for him. So he remembered his mother. The mother told, whenever you are nervous, take a deep breath. Because nervousness, fears, once enters into the body, then ultimately we are going to lose. ఎందుకు అమ్మ మాటలు గుర్తు చేసుకున్నాడంటే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనిషిలోకి భయం అన్నది, నర్వస్నెస్ అన్నది ఫామ్ అవుతుందో ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఓటమి వస్తుంది. సో ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దట్, he remembered his mother's words. Then when you are feeling tense, take a deep breath. Okay, now he had just took the deep breath to make himself a little bit relax. గట్టిగా ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ టెన్షన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు గట్టిగా ఊపిరి తీసుకుంటే చిన్న రిలాక్సేషన్ అన్నది వస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో హీ హ్యాడ్ డన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. Now see, so he did along with the shaking the tension from legs. He gently laid his pole at his feet. He began to stretch out his arm and upper body. The light breeze that was once there was now gone. He would feel a trickle of cold sweat running down his back. He carefully picked up his pole. He felt his heart pounding. He was sure the crowd did too. The silence was deafening. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in the flight, he knew it was his time to fly. Now he had a deep breath. Yes or no? After taking deep breath, slowly he was feeling that he was being tension free. Now he placed the stick in front of his feet. Now he is feeling lighter. Earlier it was a cool breeze, now no cool breeze, only sweat is coming from his back. Now he felt himself that he's feeling light, so he raised his body high in order to perform that. So at a distance he can able to hear the robin sound, so he felt that was his day. Understood, Nana?